Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. Yay! It's been a minute and it's long overdue. Alright, let's get started. So first I have this black top that I just got from the dollar store. Simple. It's got enough weight to it so that I can dip all my brushes in. Here are all my brushes before. As you can see, it's been a while since they've been really cleaned. So we're gonna get that done now. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it with hot water because I like hot water. All right, I'm gonna throw it in my little beauty blenders as well. Ew, that thing is so disgusting. All right, so the first ingredient is some dish soap. I'm using one that has extra grease cleaning power. And I'm just gonna drizzle that thing all up in there. Not too much. Then I'm gonna use some baking powder. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some of that in there. That soap, by the way, is like the best dish soap ever. It smells so freaking good. Botanicals Cherry Blossom, okay? And then for some extraness, I'm gonna use this beauty blender soap or whatever makeup remover or cleaning remover, brush remover you have. I'm just gonna top that in there. And the key is to just let it sit. Let everything sit and get clean. I'll mix it up just so that all the soap and stuff is like actually actively working. And then I just let this sit literally either half of the day or a couple hours. I'm gonna let it sit for probably like 2-3 hours. Go about my business, and then I'm gonna come back and actually start scrubbing. So right now it's marinating. So now that some time has passed, we're actually going to clean the brush because it's been soaking. Let's get it. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to pour out all the yucky, ducky, lucky, rucky liquid out. All right, so I poured all the crusty, nasty liquid out. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this old face scrubber that I no longer use. I purchased a new one. I'm going to use this because it has some tiny bristles, and I'm going to stick it to the bottom of the sink. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the brush one by one and just rub it through on the little face scrubber thing just to get all the water or all the soap out. And I'm going to let the water run as I'm doing that. And then after I rub it a few times, I just go ahead and put it back in this bucket because it's going to go ahead and soak for another round. It's easier to do it with one or two hands because I usually have my hand holding that down, but since I'm using my other hand for the camera, I just watch and see how much of the makeup is actually coming off to determine whether or not I need to soak it for a second time. Some of them are going to be easier than others for things that I use, for makeup brushes that I use for like blush and stuff. Those are going to come out easier than the ones that I use for like foundation and concealer because obviously those products are thicker. Beauty blender, I'm just going to use my hand. Look at how clean it's getting so far. Alright, so as you can see, everything is clean, and you know it's clean when you run the water and the water is no longer brown or, yeah, brown or tan, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to do one final rinse and squeeze all the water out of the brush, put it in the clean bin. Wash my edge brush at the same time. And my little heart sponge broke. You can see, but it's okay. You can see when I squeeze it, you can still see some of the soap suds. This is not done being rinsed out. So I'm just going to continue filling it up with water and squeezing all the soap out. You don't want soap staying in your brush, especially if you're going to put it on your face. So that is basically it for this video. I didn't show the part of me drying it. Actually I did, but I lost the clip. But basically what I do is I lay it out on a towel on a table and let the fan do its job. I don't use no air dryer or anything like that. I just use the fan and the air conditioner, and then by the morning it'll be ready to use again. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, when you're cleaning your brushes, use dish soap, whatever cleaning actual brush product you have, and just a little bit of baking soda. I promise you it will make a difference. See y'all later. Bye. All our clean brushes. Yay!